shit! Oh, God. Chicago, I think we got you beat today. Woo! It's windy in Pataskala. Man, is it gonna be? I gotta hang on to this. It's gonna be hard to vlog out here today. Just want to say hi. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I can't. Okay. Both legs. Yeah. Oh shit. Oh. Ricky needs to start exercising. Holy Toledo. Alright, that idea didn't work. Because I was trying to hold on this way, thinking if I can get my arms out and you can pull me, that'll help pull me up just for long enough. I'm not strong enough to hold myself up here. I have to grab my ankles and you have to pull my ass. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Boy. Still sitting there. Get my other leg. 1, 2, 3. Cut. Wind scene's not gonna work. We need some Hollywood magic. Damn it. Day, baby! Bring it on! Just, hey, bring your checkbook! So my body's level. Yeah, I'll do all I'm sure it's just a piecemeal vlog because I was recording something for a future vlog. What? Didn't go as planned, so I'll give you some outtakes and what we tried to do to capture this windy selling day here in Ohio. Thanks for joining us. I should have thought of this sooner, huh? Hey, thanks for watching the outtakes. And remember, if you're gonna stop dreaming and you're gonna start driving, I want to be your guy. I want to earn your business, and I want to be a part of your Corvette